What's the meaning of casement? Casement. Casement.
Casement. Casement. A casement is a type of window that is attached to its frame by hinges along one of its sides. The window opens outwards using a crank or lever mechanism to allow for maximum ventilation. Casement windows are generally more energy efficient than sliding windows because they create a tighter seal when closed, and they are easy to open and close. However, they may not be suitable for homes in areas with high winds or heavy rain, as they can be damaged if they are blown open.